Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. I hope that you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah. It's English period for class 6 and students, today we are going to learn new grammar topic from our textbook, but before moving to it, let's recite dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen summa ameen. Students, exercise is given in your textbook on page number 95 to 96, and these exercises are given and these are related to the parts of speech, but there is more detail about different parts of speech. So let's move on and see that what is there. Three parts of speech is there are there, and these are verbs, noun and pronouns. Now you know very well about verb, that what is verb? Action word. Very good. Now you will learn about two types of verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Now I am telling you that what are these. First, transitive verb. What is transitive verb? A verb which doesn't make sense on its own and requires an object. What does it mean कि वो verb जो कि अकेला sentence के अंदर कोई sense नहीं बना सकता and it requires an object to complete the sentence. So such type of verbs are called transitive verbs. For example, the pilot flies an aeroplane. Now you can see here that in a bracket I separated the object and here is the verb. Now if I excluded the object from the sentence, so does it make sense that what pilot flies? Yes, obviously no. So to complete the sentence we requires an object here. So now it is completed that the pilot flies an aeroplane. So this was the concept of transitive verb. Now let's move on to the next one, intransitive verb. A verb that indicates complete action by itself and doesn't require an object. What does it mean? कि वो verb जो कि अकेला sentence के अंदर sense बना देता है और उसको किसी object की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. For example, the aeroplane flies. Now here is the verb is flies. So you can see here that it doesn't need any object further to describe that to complete the sentence. So such type of verbs are called intransitive verb. So that's these are the two types of transitive and intransitive verb, and they are completely opposite to each other. Like transitive verb needs object and intransitive verb doesn't need any object. So this was the concept of verbs from your book. Now next exercise C2 on page number 95 is related to nouns and adjectives. There are some adjectives given to you in that exercise, and you have to give a suitable noun according to the adjective word. First of all, I would like to recall the concept of noun, that what is noun is very simple. These are the naming words in the sentence. And what is adjective? Adjective is describing word for noun. So some adjectives are given to you. For example, I have taken one adjective from your textbook, that is immature. Now this is a describing word, so we have to give a suitable noun to this adjective. For what can be the noun we can put here for mature? Just think by yourself. I think that I can write here that a mature person. So this person word is noun, that it can be anyone. So I have chosen this one. Now it's up to you that which noun you would like to give to each adjective. So this is how you have to complete that exercise. Just keep the concepts in your mind and then try it by yourself. Now let's move on to the next one. Next concept we have related to pronouns. And you know what is pronoun? Yes, those words which used instead of noun. For example, he, she, it, you, they, etc. In your book, there are these three types of pronouns are given. These first one is relative pronouns, then possessive pronouns, then interrogative pronouns. Now, what are these? These are very simple. You just have to learn these points and keep these points in your mind about each type of pronoun. So this will not be difficult for you. So, what is relative pronouns? Point to a noun. It means कि वो words जो कि हमें point out करते हैं sentence के अंदर किसी भी noun को. Like examples are given to you in your text book and on page number 95. Relative pronouns examples are who, whom, whose, etc. For example, that I can say this is the person who gave me money. Okay, so did you see that how I relate the word to the noun, that who gave me money. Now, next is possessive pronoun. Describe who owns something. Possessive, or I can explain you by the word possession. It means possession का मतलब क्या होता है कि कोई चीज़ own करना, ठीक है? So possessive pronoun is such type of those noun which describe that who owns something. For example, this is my book. So the word my is the possessive pronoun. The word my is showing that this book is in my possession. So this is how we find the possessive pronoun. The last one is interrogative pronouns. What is interrogative pronouns? These are used to ask questions. For example, some pronouns are given to you: who, whom, whose, which, what, where, when, how. So these are the examples of interrogative pronouns, and I can give you the example in a sentence that who is there. So I know that somebody is there, and that's why I use the word who to ask that who is there. So who word is relating to who word is interrogative. So these were the three types of pronouns which were relative pronouns, possessive pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. I am concluding. Relative pronouns point to a noun. In the sentence, it is these nouns are used to point a noun. Possessive pronouns describe who owns something. वो pronoun जिसको पढ़ के हमें ये लगता है कि it is showing possession. That I have given you example that it is my book. So my word is showing the possession of that thing. So last one is interrogative pronouns, that is used to ask questions. It means कि वो pronouns जो कि question करने के लिए use होते हैं. For example, which pencil you are asking. So the which word is a pronoun. So these all the parts of speech given in your textbook. So I have explained you these three one by one, and now some exercises are given to you in your textbook relating to these concepts, and very good. Now you should try yourself that to complete those exercises by yourself, and then if you have any question or any query you can ask me. Now I am ending here. Start your task now. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.